Hi there, my name is Vito and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a simple and delicious soybean snack. You can also combine this with rice and jackfruit just to add an extra crunch to it. Our preparation will start 24 hours prior, but don't be afraid, this is just to soak them. For the start, we will need 2 cups of these. So let's hit it. So guys, with a bit of time travel, 24 hours later our soybeans are nice and soaked and became much bigger than they were before. Today's recipe will require 3 tablespoons of oil. I used a mix of sunflower and sesame oil, 3 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, and a seasonal mix of cajun and fennel. The next step that is required is to wash these soybeans thoroughly and to take all the not good looking ones out. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees on the fan option. Add all the seasonings and mix it all together. Now spread all the beans equally on a baking paper. Take the soybeans out of the oven every 7 to 8 minutes to mix them and repeat that during the 30-minute baking process. So once our soybeans are roasted, we're gonna transfer them on some cooking paper just to soak out that oil out of them. For that extra flavor, I like to add 2 teaspoons of dried paprika. Thanks guys for watching, and although it takes around 45 minutes to prepare this dish, it's more than worth it, believe me. Comment, like and subscribe to my channel to support me, and see you next time. Cheers!